Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a good day. Today we're going to be doing some more Drink Together. Was able to get all this stuff at MSRP or RRP, as you guys would say in the UK. But yeah, we have we have the Zacian box here, two booster bundles, um, a bunch of single pack blisters, two of the 3-pack blisters, and a couple of portfolios here. Um, so yeah, we're just gonna jump straight into it. Get all this stuff out of the way here. Probably just do the portfolios real quick here. And I got the prices pulled up here so we can check out the values. If we get any hits. I don't want to expect hits, but in the event that we do get something, you can pull up the values and let you guys know how much it's worth and all that good stuff. So just, yeah, jumping straight in here. Yeah, so this, the Drink Together has been a lot easier to get a hold of than Prismatic thus far. So that's been kind of nice. Still looking forward to Destined Rivals next month. We'll see how that goes. I'd imagine it's going to be pretty difficult to get, but yeah. Let's see how we do on the polls today. Ooh, look at that. First pack, we got a Riambi. Looks like it's worth about 15 bucks raw. That's pretty sick. Go ahead and sleeve this bad boy. Yeah, and the pull rates have been pretty nice on this one so far. Even though I didn't pull anything on my first ETB, but the booster box, we got the Salamence SIR and a couple of other illustration rares. So yeah, pretty happy with the set so far. All right, off to a good start. Let's see what's in portfolio number 2 here. Try to do this without cutting myself open. Got the portfolios. I don't use these personally, but you know, they're kind of handy when you don't have top loaders or any penny sleeves to put your cards in. So yeah, but pack number 2. Let's see how we do here. All right. Looks like a regular hollow. All right. Continuing on, I guess we'll do the 3-pack blisters here. So we've got a couple of these. Yeah, like I said, I was lucky enough to get these at MSRP or RRP. So very thankful for that. So we've got some sort of promo in here. We'll just leave that one. All right. Yeah, so we got 3 packs. And actually, matter of fact, I'm just going to go ahead and open up the second one too. Just get out of the way. Sleeve this promo in case it's worth anything in the future. Alright, so we got 6 packs from the 3-pack blisters, so I'm just going to jump straight into it here. Yeah, let me know how you guys have been doing on the pull rates for you guys' journey together. I'm curious to see how everybody does. But yeah, like I was saying earlier, it seems like everybody's been pulling some really nice cards, and it's not taking a ridiculous amount of money. And the Articuno is pretty nice. Really would like the illustration rare of it though. It looks like another regular holo. Yeah, Articuno is one of my favorite Pokemon, so that would be. It's actually one of the ones I want the most actually out of this whole set, even though it's not the most valuable. But continuing on here. Another regular holo. Looks like another regular holo. Butchered that wrapper. Alright. Ooh, what do we got here? Look at that. Got the Zorak. Looks like it's worth about 18 bucks. Very nice. So we're getting some pulls here, which is really nice. Top load this bad boy. Yeah, so far we got 2 illustration rares. Not a bad start. Alright. Continuing on. Regular holo. Alright. Alright, so we're on the 6-pack of the 3-pack blisters. Another regular holo. Or the Tyranitar was the regular holo. Alright, and then now I guess we'll do the 1-pack blisters here. I'm actually just gonna go ahead and get these all out at once, make my life easier. These 1-pack blisters, like, doesn't seem like a very cost-effective way to sell cards. I don't know, maybe that's just me, but I guess there are a lot of people who just want to get like just 1 pack or something, so I guess it kind of makes sense. Alright, put all this off. Alright, so we got, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of the packs from the 1-pack blisters. Let's see how we do on these. Oops. Looks like a regular holo. an EX. Not bad, not bad. Pretty sure that's worth like a couple bucks. I think for the sake of trading in cards, I don't even really bother with the EX cards. I'd really just try to trade in illustration rares or better. The last trade I did was a Obsidian Flames Ninetales and Obsidian Flames Cleffa and a Surging Sparks Milotic for 105 pounds store credit at Collector's Card House down in London. Alright, looks like another regular holo. So far it looks like hit-wise, the 3-pack blisters and the portfolios are winning. Oh, got a Snorlax, regular holo. Alright, continuing on here. Another regular holo. Another regular holo. Artillery back to back. Interesting. Looks like another regular holo. The single pack blisters are not looking so hot right now. An EX. So 1 EX so far out of 10 packs of the 1-pack blisters. Got 2 more to go. Ooh, what do we got here? Looks like a Swinub illustration rare. Looks like that one is worth about $5. So that'd probably get me like maybe 2 pounds in store credit. Maybe 2 or 3 pounds. Alright, last pack of the single pack blisters, and then we can move on to the booster bundles. Regular holo. So looks like we just got one illustration rare and one EX out of the single pack blisters. And then let's grab a couple of 6-pack booster bundles. Let's see how we do on these. Alright. Open this thing. Am I tripping? How do you? I'm so. Oh. Alright, 6 packs there. And 6 packs. Alright, so we got 12 packs here. Let's see how we do on the booster bundles. See if we have a little better luck. Ooh, another Zorak. Okay. Started off strong with the booster bundles. So that's another, what is that? Another, was it 18 bucks? Yeah, about 18 bucks. Nice, not bad. All right. All right. Another regular hollow. It's really interesting to see how far Pokemon has come. I got into it like when it first came out in the 90s, and it's like going crazy now. Yeah, I never thought it would get this popular, but it's really just like, I mean, it's like worldwide, just like everybody's trying to get cards, and it's just wild how big they've grown. There's so much demand for cards, and prices just keep going up, it seems like. Ooh, who do we got here? Bolt EX. I'm not sure if that one's even worth looking up, but probably worth a couple bucks, I'd imagine. Continuing on. Ooh, another Salamence? Let's go. That's sick. Nice, man. That means I can trade in my other one because I'm not going to need two. So that'll give me more money to get to put towards Destin Rivals. That's awesome. So I actually got 2 duplicates now. So I have one Zorak and then one extra Zorak and one extra Salamence. So I can trade those in. Nice. That's awesome. It's a nice thing about getting duplicates is you can keep one for yourself and then you can trade the other one in and try and get something better. Or just put it towards like the next set or whatever, you know. Another regular hollow. Yeah, I think the Salamence is like $140, $138 raw. Or maybe like 110 pounds. That's awesome, man. Another regular hollow. Yeah, I've been getting pretty lucky on the pulls lately. I thought I used all my luck pulling the God Pack on Prismatic, but the keeps just keep on coming. Ooh, another. So I got one of these as well. So this would be a duplicate. So yeah, I pulled this on my last video, so I could trade this one as well, or trade this in as well. So now I got 3 cards I can trade in. That's awesome. This one's worth, looks like, where is it at here? About 14 bucks, so not a ton, but oh, nice. But all the little ones add up. So I'm down to like, what is it, like 3 more packs after this one. So regular hollow. Alright, 3 more packs of the booster bundles, and then we'll move on to the Zacian box, Hop Zacian box. Dude, I can't believe we pulled the Salamence again. That's wild. Oops. Another regular hollow. And so I think in trading value, I probably got about, I don't know, that's probably like 130 to like 150 pounds in store credit. That's awesome. Certainly has paid for what I paid for this, I believe. Or at least very close to it. Another EX. Nice. I'd be very surprised if we get another SIR or illustration rare in the packs that we have left here, because we have, I think, like 3 more packs of Drain together. Yeah, looks like a regular hollow. All right, and now we're gonna jump into the Hop Zacian box and see what we pull out of this. I believe there is a couple of Surging Sparks along with the Journey Together packs. But I don't know for sure. We'll have to see what we got here. Always like these because you get the the nice promos, and of course the jumbo promo. Never really know what to do with these because there's no way to like store them with like a sleeve. I mean, I guess you could, but I'm not gonna buy like a stack of penny sleeves for the jumbo cards because I just don't have enough of them. But yeah, it looks like we got Zacian EX promo. Then we got a couple of other. Yeah, I don't even think those are worth mentioning. But yeah, I'll go ahead and sleeve this one. Maybe worth something in the future. Some promo cards go kind of crazy. Yeah, I'll put it in top loader, why not? Okay, looks like they gave us, I don't know what this is, some sort of sticker or something. Yeah. No idea what that is. But anyway, yeah, looks like we got two more Journey Together here. One Obsidian Flames and one Surging Sparks. All right. So we'll start off with the Surging Sparks, why not? And then finish with the Journey Together. It'd be insane if I pulled the SIR Pikachu out of this. That'd be so wild. I mean, I've made some videos, 2 videos on the hunt for the SIR Pikachu. I'm gonna have to make a third one because we haven't hit it yet, but yeah, let's see how we do here. Yeah, looks like just a regular holo. Not surprised though that Surging Sparks set is really tough to get anything out of. I feel like it's the toughest set out of everything so far that I've pulled. And one Obsidian Flames. Getting another SIR Charizard would be pretty cool. Pulled one about 3 or 4 months ago. Looks like a regular holo. Yep. Actually, I'm gonna put these back in there. These cards get mixed up with the Journey Together ones. Put this back and organize this later. Alright, so we got 2 more Journey Together to finish off the video. See how we do from this Zacian, Hop Zacian box. So far, haven't pulled anything, but it only takes 1 pack, right? Yeah, looks like a regular holo. Alright, we're down to our last pack. Can we get anything here? Nope, regular hollow. Alright guys, so we're just going to run over the hits real quick here. Got a bunch of EXs. Oh wait, this is an illustration rare. I'll top load that, I suppose. Alright, so yeah. Going back to the EX hits and some promos. Yeah, so that's what we got for that, and then got the Zacian box promo. Got another one of these to trade in. Another Salamence. Another duplicate. And then pulled 2 of these today. Zorax. And yeah. So pretty decent pulls. Got one SIR. I'm not sure how many packs we did, but out of like 27 or 25 packs or whatever it was, seems like pretty good pull rates. But that's going to do it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, I hope your guys' pulls are fire. And yeah, just if you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you could like, subscribe, and leave comments. But yeah, thanks guys. Till next time.